we divide 734 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 3 and it is 23. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 4 and it is 34. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 734 divided by 5 is 146 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.